Hey guys, Honor another device launched in China today. Honor launched Honor 90 GT. Honor 90 GT comes with 6.7-inch 1.5K resolution OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the phone peak brightness is 2600 nits. Honor 90 GT comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with independent graphic chip C1 with LPDDR5X 24GB of RAM up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0. Out of the box, the phone running MagicOS 7.2, and in the camera department, the phone comes with dual camera setup in the back, 50MP Sony IMX906 main camera and 12MP ultrawide. And the phone is come with 16MP selfie camera, and the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. And the smartphone is very lightweight. The phone only 185 grams. The phone also comes with Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, NFC and studio speaker. And the smartphone launched in China 2599 RMB for 12GB of RAM and 256GB storage. So that's all about Honor 90 GT. And if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.